together since last November. I should have known by her eyes and her smile the things she knows. She's timeless, she is efficient, she's well known. They say she's gone, I should move on to reach their own. When I first met her, I never knew about her style and the way that she moves. But soon I learned that she would be the one. Now she's gone, the Civic tour has just begun. She's back, she's here forever. It feels the same.